Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time seeing my video, please subscribe. For the new subscribers, you are welcome, and for the old subscribers, you are welcome too. Please subscribe for me. For the new viewers, please subscribe for me if you know you haven't subscribed. Today I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful spiral coil extension braids, knotless braid. Yeah, I will be showing you how I made this. So a customer reached out to me telling me on how she wants extension braid to be very tight. So I told the person, okay, I got you. So join me as I make this beautiful spiral coil extension. Please subscribe and thanks for watching. Bye.